Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin with 3 essentials: ball placement, target selection, and a practiced run-up. Place the ball cleanly and stand behind it to visualize your chosen quadrant. This narrows options and reduces indecision. Use a consistent 2-6-step approach that you've drilled. Rhythm builds power and accuracy. Once done, breathe slowly to settle nerves, lock eyes on an exact mark on the net or ground, and commit mentally. Hesitation is the biggest killer. You now execute the strike. Plant your support foot about 15-20 cm from the ball, pointing toward your target to guide direction. Lean slightly over the ball to keep shots low. For power, use the instep, and for precise placement, use the inside of your foot. Make clean contact at the chosen point, center lower for low drives, slightly higher for placement into top corners. Once struck, allow a natural follow-through toward the target so direction and spin remain consistent. You finish by tracking the ball and preparing for the rebound. Quick reactions can convert a saved or deflected attempt into a goal. After the kick, immediately move into an angle that covers likely deflections and be ready to clear or tap in. If the kick goes high, check that you leaned too far back. Correct by leaning over the ball on the next attempt. If it's consistently wide, realign your plant foot slightly toward the center to correct your aim.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.